Hello and welcome back to SkillWeb. In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove people from a Slack workspace. So let's get started. Start by opening Slack and navigating to the workspace from which you want to remove a member. Ensure you have the necessary admin or moderator permissions. Click on the workspace name at the top left corner of the screen to reveal a drop-down menu. Select Settings and Administration, then select Manage Members. Find the member you want to remove from the workspace in the list of workspace members. Click on these three dots. Now from the menu, select Deactivate Account. Slack will ask for confirmation before permanently removing the member from the workspace. Confirm your decision to remove the member. So that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at SkillWeb. This video is sponsored by Girosoft. Girosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Girosoft today. For more details, check the description box.